Sander, what are you doing?
Having fun putting in the new one.
Oh yeah, new water pump fun time. All nice and in and gasketed and pretty. Nice Velcro gasket, not a cheapie that comes with the water pump because that's very failure prone. Nice, good job, sir.
Only took basically the whole day.
It takes a while. These are not easy to do. But once you're in there and you got it, now you can do them again and again and again.
I don't want to do them again and again and again.
Well, then you better get it right. Or you're going to have to do it again. But, coming along, looking good. Get that all in and done. And then see what you can get done today, and we'll wrap it up in the morning. Yeah. Nice job, sir.
Yep.
Look at all that. Got everything all clean and nice. You did really good. All right. Finish it up. Let's go.
Yay.
Good job, sir. Ready, sir. How's it coming?
Pretty good. I got all but 2 bolts, so.
Nice. Just getting it done. Get this as wrapped up as you can tonight before we leave. And in the morning, get this baby done, huh?
Yep.
Get it done. Get it filled with coolant. Get it ready to go. Adam could probably take both Cadillacs home in the morning.
Well, I don't think you can drive 2 cars at once.
No, but he's got Cadillacs for fun. Funsies. All right. Well, it's coming together. Not much longer now. Looking good. Almost there. Nice work, sir. Sander's tired.
Yeah.
Time to go home.